Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken noodle soup. First, prepare your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, 8 cups of chicken broth, and fresh vegetables. Chop 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion into small, uniform pieces. Have your 8 ounces of egg noodles ready, along with your favorite herbs like thyme and bay leaves, plus salt and pepper to taste. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Then, add the chicken pieces to the pot, cooking them until they are no longer pink on the outside. Pour in the 8 cups of chicken broth, along with any bay leaves or thyme sprigs. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer. Once the soup is simmering, add your 8 ounces of egg noodles directly to the pot. Cook them according to package directions, usually for about 7 to 10 minutes, until they are tender. While the noodles cook, carefully remove the chicken from the pot, shred it into bite-sized pieces, and then return it to the soup. Finally, taste the soup and adjust the seasonings with salt and pepper as needed to perfect the flavor. Your delicious homemade chicken noodle soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle generous portions into bowls, and if you like, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a touch of color and extra flavor. Serve it immediately to savor the comforting warmth and rich taste. This soup is perfect for a cozy meal. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.